Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is M.C.Q. Part 8. This is lecture number 56. Okay, dear students, let us see the question. Dear students, when I have solved the problems, it means that M.C.Q. 1 up to 67, I missed to solve the question 60. For this I have written question 60 at first, then I have started from 68. Okay, dear students, now see question 60. If only one side is given, then what is possible to be drawn? Dear students, you know, when only one side will be given, using this one side we can draw a rhombus. To draw a rhombus, we know all sides of a rhombus are equal. So when only one side will be given, we can draw rhombus. If one side is given, then we can draw a square also, and we can draw equilateral triangle also. We can draw equilateral triangle, as three sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. Three sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. So when only one side will be given, then we can draw first one rhombus, second one square, and third one is equilateral triangle. Here see the statement. Which statements are given here? First one rhombus, square, then second one square, and third one is equilateral triangle. It means that all of these three we can draw when only one side will be given. So option A 1 and 2, no. Option B 1 and 3, option C 2 and 3, option D 1, 2 and 3. It means that all we can draw. So our correct answer, as which one is correct? So answer D will be correct. We can answer all the questions, all these three figures we can draw using only one side. Okay, now 68. In which of the following theorem of Pythagoras, in which of the following triangle theorem of Pythagoras is applicable? In which of the following triangle theorem of Pythagoras is applicable? Dear students, you know the theorem of Pythagoras, the statement of theorem of Pythagoras is, that is, in a right angle triangle, the square drawn on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares drawn on other two sides. It means that here at first, here in the statement, if you notice, you will see the right angle triangle. So in case of right angle triangle, theorem of Pythagoras is applicable only for right angle triangle. So option A equilateral, no. Option B scalene, no. Option C right angle triangle. Option D obtuse angle triangle. Option C is correct according to the statement of the theorem of Pythagoras. Okay, now 69. The diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other perpendicularly, then it is called. It means that dear students, you know the characteristics of quadrilateral. You know in two quadrilaterals, the diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other perpendicularly. Here all the angles will be right angle, and in case of square, diagonals bisect each other perpendicular. So all the angles produced here are right angles. Okay, so we can say what will be our answer? Parallelogram, no. Rhombus, yes. Trapezium, no. Kite, no. So option B. In case of rhombus, diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. So diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other perpendicularly, then it is called rhombus. Okay, now see Question 70. If the radius of a circle is 2r, what is the area of that circle? Dear students, you know the radius is given here 2r. Here the radius is given 2r. Dear students, you know that the formula of determining the area of a circle is pi r square, where r is the radius. Area is pi r square, where r is the radius. So pi into radius square. So we can write pi as radius is 2r here. So we can write pi into 2r whole square. If we do this, pi into 4r square, it means that 4 pi r square. Now we have to find the options. Where is 4 pi r square? Now see, here is 2 pi r, no. Here is 4 pi r, no. Here is pi r square, no. Pi r square is the area of a circle when radius is r, but the radius is given 2r. So 4 pi r square, yes, this matched with our answer. So option D is our answer for question 70. Now question 71 and 72. To answer 71 and 72, an information is given. At first see the information. The radius of a wheel of a car is 4 centimeter. So if you consider the if you consider a wheel of a car, now see, a wheel means this is a circle. A wheel means this is a circle. Its radius is 4 centimeters. Suppose this is the radius, that is 4 centimeter. The students, what we need to find here? Now see, answer the question 71 and 72 in respect of the above information. So depending on this information, we have to answer question 71 and 72. To answer question 71, we need to read the question at first. What is the question? What is the perimeter of the wheel of the car in centimeter? We need to find the perimeter. Perimeter means this length of this curved line. Dear students, you know the formula of determining perimeter of a circle, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Here r means radius. R means radius. R means radius. So radius is 4 here. So put the value 2 pi, 2 into pi into 4, as radius is 4. So we can calculate here. If we multiply 4 and 8, this 4 and 2, it will be 8 multiplied by pi. Dear students, you know the value of pi is 3.1415. In this way this will continue, so we can write here 16. If we use 4 digit, we will get here, if we multiply this 2, we will get here 25.1328. Just after decimal we need 2 digits, so this is not needed here, so we can keep 2 digit after the decimal. That will be 25.13. so we can say here the unit will be centimeter. Unit will be centimeter, 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 centimeter. So in centimeter, the perimeter of the wheel must be 25.13. So option B is our answer, that is 25.13. Now question 72. What is the area of the wheel of the car in square centimeter? We need to find the area of the wheel. Dear students, you know as wheel is as like a circle, and the formula of determining the area of a circle is pi r square. Pi r square. Here the value of r is 4. So we can use here, this is square unit. It means that we can write here square centimeter. So if we do this calculation, we will get pi into 16 means 16 pi, means 16 pi. Now see the option here. Option A 16 pi, option B 8 pi, option C 4 pi, option D 2 pi. But our solution is 16 pi. This is the area of the wheel. Area of a wheel of the car. Okay, so we can write option A is our answer. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions. Dear students, we are not giving homework in our class, but you need to remember that homework is important for you, and we have given some homework in our previous class. Submit all the missing homework. Okay, dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Assalamu alaikum.